Tom Aleixo here with the best Facebook ads tips and strategies. So, since you're running a Facebook ads campaign, you're most likely using video because everyone and their mother knows that video is where it's at. Look, you're watching this video right now, aren't you? There you go. We know it's good. So, because we know video is good, you might be asking, what type of objectives should I do? Should I do the video views, or should I do something like, traffic, click links to go to my website? Which is a very good question. What do I propose you do? Very simple, guys. It's all about, when it comes to this stuff, I'm a big champion about looking at the data. So what do? Run 2 ads, video views ad, then one for traffic. See what one does the best, because when you're running video, you need to see the video engagement. If people even watching the goddamn thing. Because the greatest thing about video views campaigns, they're cheap. But do you want to know why they're cheap? Because as soon as I go through Facebook, let's see, let's open this bad boy up. Let's see if I can show you an example if it shows up even on the video. Okay, let's see, let's go on Facebook. I want to show these people what they're working with. So, I'm on Facebook right now, right? I'm on Facebook right now. There's a video right there. Here's the problem. Here's the problem with the video. You can't see it, but here's the thing. As soon as you see the video on the news feed, even 1 second of the video, you're paying for that. And what happens? I'm just scrolling through it. I'm not even watching it. You got charged for that. That's a view. So what do you want to do? Run your video ads posts. Run your video ads. See how it goes. Look at the percentage watch. Now you have to do this. When you check out your analytics, you could break it down where you could actually check out the what percentage of the video people watched. What I recommend, you want people to watch 50% or more of that video. If a large amount of the audience is watching 50% or more of that video, then doggone it, keep on running it as a video ad. If people are not watching it that much, try it. You're gonna probably have to improve your video a little bit, but also I would run it as traffic instead. So then you can see if people are actually going to click on your site without watching the full video. So that is exactly what I will look at. Now, after running these ads, and let's say let's say you do the traffic ad and people going to the website, they're signing up or they're making purchases, you're good to go. Who cares if people only watch 50% or less of the video? You're working it, you're good. But if you see that the video campaign, 50%, not much people watch the 50% of the video, then you ran it as a traffic campaign, you're not getting as much clicks, or you're paying a lot of money for a cost per click and you're not getting as much conversions, then guess what? Now you have to improve your video. So when you take a look at everything, remember guys, it's all about the data, and just think of every step along the way. So you have a video that's rocking it. What I suggest, I'm going to just rewind it a little bit because I know it's a good amount. You have a video, do a video ads campaign, do a traffic campaign, see the results and see which one is working best for you. If with a video campaign you want 50% or more to watch it of your audience, if 50% and less are watching it, improve the video. All right. If the traffic campaign is doing good, you're getting clicks and signups, you're good to go, guys. So, take all this information, work it, use it, improve those ads, make those sales, get yourself to where you want to be. If you have any questions, comments, or you need anything, feel free to hit me up. I'll talk to you next time.